Manifesting an instant appearance change through the law of assumption works fast. It involves tapping into a power of your thoughts, of your beliefs, of your emotions to create your desired outcome. So while it's really, really important to note that true physical changes may not happen instantly, you can manifest a change in how you perceive yourself and how others perceive you. Now, here's a couple of quick little steps. Number one, clarify exactly your desired appearance. Clearly define the specific changes you want to manifest in your appearance. Visualize that new appearance and imagine how good it's going to feel to embody that. Number two, believe in the possibility. Develop a really strong belief that the appearance is going to change your desire and that it's possible to do. Remove any doubts or any form of limiting beliefs that's going to hinder your manifestation. Now, affirmations, visualization, positive self-talk, they really help here, right? It's going to help reinforce your beliefs. Number three, to create a mental image, a vivid mental image of your desired appearance. And seriously, visualize yourself in every single detail, paying attention to your body shape or your facial features or your overall aura, and hold this image in your mind consistently. Number four, emotional alignment. Generate positive emotions associated with your desired appearance. Feel the joy, confidence, satisfaction that you are in this transformation and that you believe fully in it. Emotional alignment is crucial for the manifestation process. Number five, practice gratitude. Every single day, be in a current state of gratitude and be grateful for the manifestation that you've already desired, that you've changed all of this. Gratitude helps to raise your vibration and attract positive outcomes. Number six, take inspired action. While the focus on the mental and emotional aspects of the manifestation, they're great, but taking inspired action is going to always support your intention. So whether this is including, healthier habits, engaging in activities that promote well-being, seeking professional assistance, do whatever is needed, take action. And number seven, detach from the outcome. Release any attachments to this timing or specific way in which the manifestation needs to occur in your mind. Trust the process. Have faith that the changes will manifest in the most appropriate way and time for you. Remember that manifestation is a process and results may not be immediate or in the exact form that you expect. Patience here, consistency, and a positive mindset are key elements in your manifestation journey. If you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you did, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification button, which is that little bell right next to it. And make sure that you follow us because I am dedicating this year to making daily content to make this your best year yet. So make sure that you follow us and keep an eye out for all the future videos. Have a great inspired day. Bye-bye.